YouLi support team here to talk to you a little bit today about how you can send a message to travelers who have not responded or who have responded yes but not paid on one of your optional items or your add-ons. So I'm here in one of my demo trips under Manage Highlights and Itinerary, and in my Highlights section. I can see here that I have one optional or add-on item. So I'm going to click into those responses to see who's responded and how they've responded. So in this case, I can see that there's been one yes, but I'm going to go ahead and filter by yes or no. I can see that I have 4 no's here. If I would like to send those 4 no's a message, I can do that by selecting all and clicking send message. I can notice that there's one person who has an email missing. That means that it's not in her account, her name. So if you would like to make sure that she also gets emailed, or he, you need to make sure to put that email in. I can then see that I will be emailing 3 invitees, 3 of my travelers. I can see which email it's coming from, and I can see the subject of that email. I also have the ability to change it, and then I can personalize that email and click send now. In that email that gets sent, it will be include a link back into that person's trip page, so they will be able to accept on to that optional item. I do want to quick show you an optional item that requires prepaid. So if I click into my itinerary, I can see that there's an add-on cost here. So I'm going to go ahead and view that optional item's responses. When I click in that way, I can see that there's yes and no, and then also yes, no, and then yes and payments made. This allows you to be able to personalize messages to people who have responded yes to an optional item, as well as responded yes to an optional item with only partially payments made. So you can send personalized messages to those groups of people. As always, that help box or help chat box at the bottom of your page is me. So reach out with any questions you have surrounding optional items and add-ons.